I have a little, I have a test I do for people, and I say, I'm gonna pay you $5,000, let me take out your front tooth. And a young kid will say, 5,000 bucks, wow. And I say, okay, you can never replace that. You know, they're gonna see a big black hole right there for the rest of your life. And then you think about, well no, 5,000 not that good, 10,000, 50,000, that's not that good. When you find out you're not gonna get that job, you're not gonna have that effect, your friends are gonna change even, because going around without that front tooth has an impact on our lives. We take that for granted, those that don't endure what you've had to endure. But what you're gonna find is when you leave with that permanent set of white teeth, not too white, we don't want toilet bowl white, we want as white as you want, but you leave with that permanent teeth, set of permanent teeth, you're gonna find it affects everything. Those around you, your friends, your job, everything is affected, and you're gonna have that confidence that either you once had or that you've never had that affects every aspect of life.